Hi, want to know how to stop background apps from using mobile data on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here find this tab, name of which is connection and sharing. Open it and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named data usage and also click on it. Here we would need to find the application that we would like to limit from background data usage. So for example, I'll choose any application here. And now when we have chosen, here you'll be also able to see how many background data this application has used. So here we would need to scroll down and find this setting background data. And now click on it to disable it. Here you can see this pop-up message which is saying restricting background network access for this app might make it impossible for the app to work normally. So here we click OK and this is it. Now we have disabled the background data usage for AliExpress. And we can do it like this with every app that you think is necessary too. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.